Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm gonna show you how to add blur effect on text in Figma. Okay, you can see this is blur. Okay, how to add blur. First of all, choose text, find effects, so and delete this and delete this. Okay, click on our text, blurry effect, click on plus, drop shadow, click on drop shadow and click on layer blur. Okay, nothing, so little blur, but we need more blur for this. Okay, click on effect settings and change blur parameter like this or like this. Okay, watch, and we can see change. Our text have blur. Okay, like this. We can use blur like this or like this. What you want, small, medium, large, but I use 13 or 15 or 20. What you want. Okay guys, that is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.